Good morning, my dear children. So, we are continuing with chapter 2 Linear Equations in One Variable, part 11. So, in previous videos, we have discussed the two basic forms of linear equations. What are the two basic forms of linear equation? Solving simple equations that has variables on one side, isn't it? Next one, solving equation that has variables on both the sides. So today we will discuss how to reduce linear equations to a simpler form or equation reducible to linear form. Okay, let us move to first example. Example 1 is x by 2 minus 1 by 4 which is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. First what we have to do, children, bring the like terms, that is variables on one side and constant on the other side of the equation, isn't it? So first let us transpose x by 3 to the left hand side. So if you will get minus x by 3, if you bring to left hand side, you will get minus x by 3, which is equal to let us transpose minus 1 by 4 constant to the right hand side. Then you will get plus 1 by 4. So you will get the equation like this, x by 2 minus x by 3 which is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Now first let us take LCM for the denominator, which is on the left hand side. So LCM of 2 and 3 is what here? 6, isn't it? Now 2 times 3 is 6 into numerator x minus 3 times 2 is 6 into numerator x, which is equal to, now let us take LCM for the denominators on the right hand side. LCM of 2 and 4 is what, children? Is 4. Now see here, 2 times 2 is 4 into numerator 1 plus 4 times 1 is 4 into numerator 1. I hope so you know LCM, children. So now 3 into x is 3x minus 2 into x is 2x by 6, which is equal to 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 into 1 by 4. 3x minus 2x is how much here? X by 6, which is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3 by 4. Now let us cross multiply 6 towards the right hand side. So x is equal to 3 by 4 into 6. Now let us cancel 6 and 4 with 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now multiply numerator first multiply the numerator. 3 into 3 is 9. By denominator you have 2. So you got x is equal to 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 is the solution of this given equation. Now let us move to next example, children. Example 2. 2p by 3 minus p by 5 which is equal to 11 2 by 3. So children, they have given 11 2 by 3 is a mixed number, isn't it? Now let us change this into improper fraction. How? 3 into 11 is 33 plus 2 is 35 by 3. So you got here 2p by 3 minus p by 5 which is equal to 35 by 3. Now first let us take LCM for the denominators on the left hand side. So LCM of 3 and 5 is what here? 15, isn't it? Now let us solve this one, simplify this one. 3 times 5 is 15 into numerator 2p minus 5 times 3 is 15 into numerator p, which is equal to 35 by 3. Now 5 into 2p is how much? 10p minus 3 into p is 3p by 15, which is equal to 35 by 3. So 10p minus 3p is 7p by 15, which is equal to 35 by 3. Okay, now let us cross multiply 15 to the right hand side. So you will get 7p is equal to 35 by 3 into 15. Now let us cancel 15 and 3 with 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. So you got 7p is equal to 35 into 5. Now we have to find out the value of p. So let us transpose 7 to the either side. Then you will get 35 into 5 by 7. Now let us cancel 35 and 7. It will go with 7 table. 7 ones are, 7 fives are 35. So now you got 5 into 5 is 25. So the value of p you got has 25. So p is equal to 25 is a solution of this given equation. Now let us move to next example, children. X by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10, which is equal to 1 by 5. Okay, first let us transpose constant minus 4 by 5 to the right hand side. So what you will get here? X by 2 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10, which is equal to 1 by 5 plus 4 by 5. Okay, first let us take LCM for the denominators on the left hand side. So LCM of 2, 5 and 10 is what, children? 10, isn't it? Now let us simplify this one. 2 times 5 is 10 into numerator x plus 5 times 2 is 10 into numerator x plus 10 times 1 is 10 into numerator 3x. You observe here on the right hand side 1 by 5 and 4 by 5 are like fractions. So as denominators are same, we can add the numerators. 1 plus 4 is how much? 5. You will get there 5 by 5. If you cancel 5 and 5, you will get there 1. Now 5 into x is 5x plus 2 into x is 2x plus 1 into 3x is 3x by 10, which is equal to 1. Now let us add all the x variables. 5x plus 2x plus 3x is 10x by 10, which is equal to 1. Now cancel 10 and 10. Then you will get x is equal to 1. So the value of x you got it as 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 is a solution of the given equation. Now let us move to the last example. 9 1 by 4, which is equal to y minus 1 1 by 3. So first let us change the mixed numbers into an improper fraction. So 9 1 by 4 you can write it as 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 1 is 37 by 4, which is equal to y minus, again 1 1 by 3 is a mixed number. Let us change into improper fraction. 3 into 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4 by 3. So 37 by 4, which is equal to y minus 4 by 3. Now let us transpose minus 4 by 3, constant minus 4 by 3 to the left hand side. Then minus 4 by 3 will become plus 4 by 3. So you have here 37 by 4 plus 4 by 3, which is equal to y. Now let us take LCM for the denominators on the left hand side. So LCM of 4 and 3 is what here? 12. Now let us simplify this sum. 4 times 3 is 12. So 3 into numerator 37 plus 3 times 4 is 12. So 4 into numerator 4 by 12, which is equal to y. Now 3 into 37 is how much, children? 111 plus 4 into 4 is 16 by 12, which is equal to y. Now 101 plus 16 is equal to 127 by 12, which is equal to y. So we cannot cancel 127 and 12 with same table. Okay. So the value of y is equal to 127 by 12. So P is equal to 127 by 12 is a solution of this given equation. So children, in today's class video, I have explained how to solve complex linear equation to a simpler form. And I hope so you all understood, children. Rewatch the video and understand the sums, children, and complete the assignment given today. Thank you and meet you in the next class.